boys ready? What's up, you guys? Thank you so much for tuning back in to another awesome video. Thank you so much for all the good comments. I just want to say thank you for all the love and the support you guys were showing me on my first vlog. And you guys are the motivation for me to keep filming and editing. It's pretty fun. I love doing it. I'm glad you guys are enjoying it. If you guys are new here, I'm Blake Ramirez, and I hope you guys enjoy your stay. And right now, it is like 9 o'clock in the morning, and actually, there's so much that went on from earlier on today. So we decided to go to Childress, Texas, which is 4 hours away, and it's pretty much in the middle of nowhere, to go do some dirt bike riding, because, you know, it's pretty fun and listen to lit stuff up there. Roll the clip. Good morning, you guys. Thank you, Blake, for the transportation. And yes, we are in Childress, Texas, in the middle of nowhere. And it's about like a 5-hour drive, and it's gonna be a pretty lit video. This is your captain speaking, Blake Ramirez. And I hope you relax, sit back, and get ready to enjoy the montage. What happens whenever you're a vlogger and you're trying to get all these angle shots, try to get close as you can to that camera.
Passion and obsession that makes
Alright guys, and then we decided to go home because we got tired of riding. I had to go home with a beautiful sunset. What's up, baby? Loaded up, get ready to go, but look at this view though. Not bad in the middle of nowhere. This is the only town right here. Pretty lit, pretty lit. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate all the love you guys are showing me. And don't forget to subscribe and go down in the comment what you guys want to see next time. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, baby. Go. You gonna go? No, yeah, obvious, yeah, duh.